Yo, guess who stayed up way too late and ended up falling asleep like 20 minutes before my first alarm went off? This guy. So I ended up waking up about an hour late, which I'm not a fan of, but here we are. At least we woke up, right? Today's gonna suck. I can already tell. Is it just incredibly slow, or am I being punished for waking up late? I will never know. Wait, I just realized they changed the Uber Eats interface. Now I can't accidentally accept orders. They actually added an accept button. I like that. I almost missed this first order because of it, but I like that. Got a Starbucks, $9 going 5 miles. All right, they gave me an add-on. Nothing crazy, but it was like 0 extra mileage, so might as well pick it up. It was $4 going 0.3 extra miles.
Can you drop by the legs of that machine? Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Have a good one.
You too. I got my next order lined up right after this. Kind of going in the opposite direction, actually, so I gotta be a little bit quicker here. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $15 going 5 miles. 2 items. And then just scribble on that line for me.
There you go.
Yep. Have a good one.
You too.
Bro was not in a good mood. Must have just woken him up. Got my next orders. Got a stacked IHOP. $22 going 10 miles. Kind of high mileage, but I'm still playing catch up right now, so I'm not too mad about it. I was just across the street over there less than half an hour ago.
Hot chocolate's right there.
Thank you. All right, they were just waiting there for me. I like that. All right, I need to get back down there because I definitely parked in a loading zone. So let's see if my car's still waiting there for me. No problem. Have a good day. Thank you. Just got the next order. We've got a Chick-fil-A, $7 going less than 2 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
This one, probably a mistake, but I'm just taking it anyways. Got an alcohol pickup, $23 going 13 miles.
What's the last word?
1 BDB. Thank you. There you go. And then just a scribble in that box for me. Good enough for me. Just got the next order. We're going to Starbucks, $9 and some change, going 3.5 miles. Haven't even turned my car on, and they gave me an additional order. This one is going to be $4 more, going 1 extra mile. Yeah, sure, why not? I think I'm still playing catch up somehow, so I'll take it. That lady next to me, the order that she was waiting on was just sitting there for like 5 minutes. She didn't check the name on the bag when they got put out. That's on her. What do you want? Why are you messaging me? It says, I ordered this exact order earlier this morning. I'm not sure where the delivery driver took my order, but it wasn't here. Okay. Why are you telling me any of this? That has nothing to do with me at all. Just got the next order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $18 going 3 miles, 3 items. This one should be a very good order. Oh, that's a heavy one, huh? Okay. Oh, of course it's upstairs. It would be upstairs. Why wouldn't it be upstairs? Come on. All right, I am pooped. So I'm gonna be calling it here. Current time is 11:38. Current total is 87, and I should have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, and both of them should be pretty big. So honestly, I might break $100, which is very surprising considering I started about an hour late today. So yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.